Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your wireless dashcam with something clearer, smarter, and more reliable, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best wireless dashcams, chosen for their video quality, connectivity, coverage, smart features, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting at number 1, the Vantrue N4 Pro. Alright, so this one is for people who don't like guessing what happened later. The Vantrue N4 Pro records 3 directions at the same time: front of the car, inside the cabin, and behind you. And that alone changes how protected you feel when you're driving. Up front, you're getting 4K footage, which means details stay sharp. The cabin camera handles the inside clearly, and the rear camera records in higher resolution than most people expect. So you're not just covering space, you're covering it well. A big reason this works so well is the Starvis 2 sensors. That matters a lot at night. Headlights, street lamps, dark roads, this camera keeps things visible when other cams start to struggle. There's also a mode that focuses only on the front and rear cameras. That does 2 things. It keeps the unit cooler on long drives, and it stretches recording time. Small thing, but it adds up. The rear camera is weather ready too. Heat, cold, rain, it keeps recording. And when it's dark, license plates stay readable more often than you'd expect, especially compared to older cameras. Wi-Fi is fast, like actually fast. You pull clips to your phone without waiting forever, and firmware updates don't turn into a whole project. If you drive a lot, drive for work, or just want everything documented, this one makes sense right away. Next up, number 2, the VIOFO A329’s. This one feels built for people who care about smooth footage. The front camera records 4K at 60 frames per second, and once you see that difference, it's hard to ignore. Fast traffic looks cleaner, motion blur drops. When something happens quickly, the footage holds together. The rear camera records in 2K, which is more than enough for catching details behind you. Both cameras use newer sensors, which helps a lot in low light situations. Parking protection is another big plus here. When your car is parked, the camera still keeps an eye out, and it does that in a way that doesn't wreck your battery when it's wired correctly. One thing people really notice is the Wi-Fi 6. Clips transfer fast. You don't put off checking footage because it feels annoying to do. You just grab it and move on. This is a good fit for drivers who want high-end video quality but still want something practical for everyday use. Number 3, the ROVE R3. This one keeps things simpler, and honestly, that's the point. You still get 4K front recording, which covers most situations people actually care about. The view is wide, details are sharp, and footage stays usable day or night. HDR helps a lot here. Bright sun, tunnels, headlights coming straight at you, it balances exposure so clips don't turn into a mess. Loop recording handles storage automatically, so you're not managing files all the time. And when there's an impact, the G sensor locks the clip so it doesn't get overwritten. The size is another win. It's compact, doesn't block your view, and doesn't draw attention on the windshield. Menus are straightforward. Buttons do what you expect. You set it once, and it just keeps working. If you want a dashcam that's reliable, clean, and low maintenance, this one fits that role really well. Moving on to number 4, the VIOFO A229 Plus 2CH. This one sits in a nice middle ground. You get front and rear coverage, both using newer sensors that handle low light better than older dual-cam setups. That's especially noticeable in rear footage, where a lot of cameras fall apart. Both cameras record in 2K HDR, which keeps colors realistic and details readable without going overboard. It's not flashy, it's just solid. One feature people end up using more than expected is voice control. Locking a clip or snapping a photo without touching the camera feels safer when you're actually driving. It also gives you system alerts. If there's a storage issue or something isn't right, you find out early instead of after the fact. This camera works well for drivers who want balanced dual-cam protection without getting into bulky or complicated setups. Finally, number 5, the WOLFBOX G840S. This one looks different because it is different. Instead of a small camera on the windshield, this replaces your rear view mirror with a large display.
And once you use it, it's hard to go back. The front camera records in 4K, the rear in 1080p, and both cover wide angles. You see more of what's around you, especially behind the vehicle. The screen can split, so you're watching front and rear at the same time. And if you drive a larger vehicle, that extra visibility actually makes a difference. GPS data gets recorded too. Speed, location, routes, all saved right into the footage. The screen itself handles glare better than you'd expect, which helps during daytime driving. When parked, it can keep monitoring using a low power mode if hardwired properly. This one makes the most sense if visibility is a top priority, or if you like the idea of your dashcam replacing your mirror instead of adding another screen.
And that wraps up the top 5 best wireless dash cams. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech picks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.